Draw a knot with grease pencil. Convert it to a Bezier curve and decimate it for ease of use. Increase the depth to make it easier to see. Move and rotate verts until it has the correct flow. Remove depth and add extrusion to flatten it. Adjust the tilt of the verts with Ctrl-T. Make sure the curves don't intersect. Convert it to a mesh and use proportional editing for improvements. Add a cloth sim to the scarf and collision to the character. After simulating, apply visual geometry to mesh. Use proportional editing to fix overlap and other issues. Further refine the model in sculpt mode.